To know a little stuff about PowerUps, then we can take it over from there. I hope it's cool, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. So let me get my slide. Let me present my slide. A minute, please. Okay, so me share my screen. Oh. Can you see my screen? Or not yet?
No.
Okay, not yet. Okay. All right. I can't tell what's going on with the share button. My slide is ready. I'm trying to share. So the internet really messed me up, and I was in a rush to just connect to a cable internet, and that's what is making me. All right, so let me see. Okay, I think this will application. All right, so it should be up in 1 second. Oh. Okay, so let me know if you can see it. Sapa, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So sorry for the delay. The internet issues and other stuff. Sorry for everything. We are going to learn about how to create great applications without computer science degree, that is without CS degree, using PowerUp. So my name is SHADRACK Inusa once again, and I'm a Microsoft Student Ambassador once again. Quickly, let's move on to the agenda. So in the agenda, we have what are Power Apps, or what is Power Apps. Then we have a demo. So the demo we are going to create, we won't be creating this, but we are rather going to create a music application. Maybe we'll play some music from Pakistan or something like that. Yeah. Then how to get started and keep the momentum going on. Okay. So we have what is Power Apps. Okay. I don't know. Okay, so we have what is PowerUps. Okay. So let me show my screen. Oh, someone want to answer what PowerUps is, or don't worry. I will explain what is PowerUps. Okay, so Microsoft PowerUps is part of the Power Platform. Okay, it's part of the Power 360 Power Platform. So let me just read quickly. Power Apps are applications that anyone can build for the web and mobile devices. Okay, even if you don't have any prior coding experience, you can build Power Apps. We just drag and drop interface allows you to add and configure what you need to solve the problem at hand with controls like buttons and galleries. An Excel-like formula. Okay, so most of us now we know about Excel. Yeah, PowerUps is the formulas in PowerUps is just like Excel. Okay, so an Excel-like formula, but allows you to dig in a little deeper and apply more complex rules and logics. You can see the results of your formulas and expression in real time. If you have a coding background, you can extend PowerUps by creating customized connections and building blocks that can be used across multiple apps. Okay, so this way, PowerUps can solve many problems from very simple to complex. So a Power App for everyone, solving problems from simple to complex. Okay, so we have PowerUp Templates to help you get started quickly. Okay, there are templates in there. If you want to use it, will help you start quickly. Then we have connections to familiar data sources. Okay, so if you want to use data sources, you have connection, you have Excel there, you have Facebook there, you have anywhere you want to pick your data from. We have familiar connections there for you to use to pick your data from. Just like the way when we are coding, we use SQL and SQL and everything. Yes, so we have data connections there as well for you to use easily. Then it has a drag and drop interface. Okay, so PowerUp is very easy with drag and drop interface. Okay, then an Excel-like formula, as I said. So you can just put in the formula there, just like Excel, what you do in Excel. Okay. So templates from 0 to apps in seconds. So you can see the template. There are a lot of templates in PowerUps. We have meeting capture, PowerUp training, we have help decks, budget tracker, site inspection. So all these things are templates people have created, which you can also do the same thing. And assorted. So templates, so an assorted of problem scenario based starter apps. Okay, so there are a lot of starter apps there that you can use looking at what you want. Okay. Then we have the connectors where we have the Excel, we have the Excel online business, we have the Excel online OneDrive, which will be using the Excel online business OneDrive. Then you have the Facebook API, Facebook deprecated file system. You can pick your data from your file system. You can pick it from the FTP. You can pick from the Google Calendar. So you have the Gmail connector also there. You can pick data from your Gmail. So these are a whole lot of connectors you can use in your PowerUp. Okay, so these are a whole lot of connectors you can use in your PowerUp. Come in. Okay. So when we are done with the connectors, so as I said, this is just something simple. Okay, we are done, and now we are going to create our application. So this event or this meeting or this lecture is just based on we getting knowledge about PowerUps, and I can't just do the talking without creating the application for us to see what it's about. So I've done the little talk. You can, or as you can see, that's the simple talk on PowerUps. So straight away, we are going to work on our application. I hope you guys are, you are really waiting for this. So we are going to work on the application now. Let me move and stop sharing my screen. Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, so with what we've gone through, if you have any question, you can ask. So this is just some 15 minutes application creating we are going to do. But if you have any question, you can ask me now. You can just put up your hand if you have any question to ask. I can see one, and Sabah, if you can check on that for me, those who have any question to ask, so that we will all be on the same line. I don't want us to leave anyone behind.
Yeah, okay. 18 Mechanical 1110, do you have any questions? Kindly ask. You can ask now. Like it's okay.
Okay, so I hope we can move on, right?
Yeah, you can.
All right, awesome. Okay, so let me share my screen now. Okay, so okay, so we are going to start developing the application, and I know you guys can't wait for this. Okay, so I want to share my tab. Okay, so Sabah, as I'm working on displaying my screen, I want you to do something for me if you are behind your laptop, or I want all of you to do something for me. Any of you should go to YouTube and get me a link of your favorite song, okay? Then drop it in the chat. We are going to play it in the PowerUps.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so any of you who can go on Facebook. Yes, any of you who can go on Facebook, get me your favorite app, your favorite track, or your favorite music, and copy the link for me in the chat. I will use it in the app. All right, let me turn my camera on. All right, awesome. So let me show my face whilst I work on the application. Okay, that's good. So that's my face. Okay. Yes. I'll be waiting for your links to use in the application as well. All right. So let me open my PowerUp application. Let me show you how to go about it. Okay, so when you want to start with the PowerUps, first you visit make.powerapps.com. 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 So that's what I'm basically going to do now. I'm going to share my entire screen so that it will be very easy for me to move around it. So if you can see, make.powerapps.com. Saba, can you see my screen? Let me know if you can see my screen, what I'm doing.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so this is just 10 minutes. We are going to create an application in just 10 minutes. Okay, so pardon me guys for the delay. We are just creating an application in just 10 minutes. So you visit make.powerup.com. Okay. So your application, your make.powerup application open. And first, we need a database. Okay, so I'm going to check through the messages, the links you've dropped in. I'm waiting for your links. I'm going to pick in the music links you've dropped, your favorite music you've dropped in. I'm going to pick 3 out of that. Then we'll use it in creating our application. Okay. So in PowerUps, you don't need to design your application from scratch. All you need is your data source. Okay, your data source. You just fix in your data source, then you get your application ready. That's all. So I'm waiting for the links. I'm coming there to pick them soon. Okay. So I need Excel. As I said, I need to open Excel. So I need to open Excel. Then I can go and create my data source. Okay. So I'll urge you guys to start taking note from what we are doing. You are going to love this. This is so awesome. In just 5 minutes. So just relax and have fun with it. Okay. So I'll go to Excel online. So this is Excel online. And after taking you through this, I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft 365 developer account so that you can also use it to create the PowerUps on your own and try your hands on it. Okay, so before you create a PowerUps, you need a 365 account. Okay, so I will show you how to get a 365 developer account for 1 year, 1 full year, for you to use it to develop this application, and it can serve for 25 people when you create your account. I will show you the link for my video for you to watch and create your application. Okay, so this Excel, I need a blank sheet. I need a blank Excel sheet. And before that, I'm going to pick your messages that you dropped. The links, okay, I have some few links here. So I'll be picking the links. Okay, so one thing I forgot for you guys to add is the links. I will need title. So I will need the artist name. I will need the artist name. So I will chat you for you to send me your artist name. I need the artist. Then the title of the song. And the video URL. So if you guys are watching, really pay attention to this. The video URL. Okay. All right. So Mohammed, can you send me your artist name? Mohammed, can you send me your artist name? Then Sabah, can you also send me your artist name? Your artist name and the title of the song. Mohammed, can you also send me your artist name and the title of the song? All right, so I'm having a little itch here. Okay. So this is Sabah's link. So Sabah, I need your artist name. And let me see, Muhammad. Muhammad, let me fix yours here. Muhammad, I need your artist name. Let me see. Okay. Chain Smokers. Okay. All right. So Saba, I need yours as well. So that's the artist name, Chain Smokers. And so this is Excel, which you guys all know about how to use Excel. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just using Excel, and you guys can see how awesome it is. So all we know, okay, all we know. So let me expand it a little to look cool. Okay, and Sabe's one. Saba, where is yours? Artist name is NF, and the song title is Lie. Okay. So NF, and the song title is Lie. Yes. So I'm adding the last one, then the next one. Okay, so Saba, this is your YouTube link. The next one, we will be adding it in the application. Okay, so I clicked on it. Okay, so I'm just adding this one. The next one, we will add it in the application. So I want to show you how powerful PowerUp is. Okay, so I'm just picking just this few. If you have more, you can drop. If you have more, you can drop. We will add them later. We will continue adding them. So Fatima, you can also drop your the name and the title of the song. We will add all of them later on as we get there. So if you guys can follow up now. So when you are done, you select this, you select all, you select the table. Okay, so I have this 1, 2, 3 table. If I expand this, you see this table. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just 1, 2, 3 cells up, cells down. Okay, then I'll go to insert. Okay, when I go to insert, I'm going to insert a table. So in database we have tables. Okay, we have tables. So I'm going to insert tables. Okay, so my table has headers because these are my headers: artist, title, then video URL. So my table has headers. So this tick should be on. Okay, then you click OK. So when you click OK, you realize it has created a table. Okay, because in database we have tables. Okay, so you realize it has created a table in it. Okay, I don't want to move too quickly. I want you guys to understand how easy PowerUp is. Better than moving too quickly for you not to understand anything. Okay, so if you realize, so I selected all, then I go to insert and I make the table. Now I have this my database ready. Then I will just rename it. So I can just either, I'm working in cloud, so I don't need to save. Okay, I'm working in cloud. So whilst I'm working, it's saving itself on its own. Okay, so I'm working in cloud. This is a cloud Excel. So all I need is just come here and come and change the name. So I will just name it. So I'm making it package 2. Okay, package 2. So it's going to have a videos of your favorite trucks in Pakistan. Okay, so package 2. So that's the title of my Excel. So you realize it has been saved itself because I'm working in the cloud. Okay, so this is OneDrive application. So I'm working in the cloud, so it's saving on its own. When I'm done, so this Excel, I have to close it because I don't need it again. Okay, so when I'm done, this package 2, you realize we have only 2 rows. We only have only 2 rows here. Only chain smokers and NF. Okay, so we are going to use them only to do our application. Now I have to go back to my PowerUp. When I go back to the PowerUp, you remember the site make.powerapps.com. Okay, so when I go back to the PowerUp, where am I picking my database from? So I have to tell my PowerUp, I can start a blank application or whatever I like here. So when you go down, you will see templates as well. You can get templates in there as well. Anything you want, you can get as well. Okay, so I will just go to Excel Online. So when I click on Excel Online, it will open the PowerUp Studio. Okay, so let's wait for the PowerUp Studio to open. I'm sorry for the internet moving too slow. Sorry. It will open in seconds. So sorry for the delay. But PowerUp, you can create PowerUps within some few minutes. I told you within 20 minutes we should be done with an application, a full application for us to use. Okay, so when it finished loading now, I have to go and look for my package tube. So realize it's on my OneDrive for business. Okay, so it's on my OneDrive for business. So I just go and look for package tube. You've seen it. This is awesome. So my package tube is showing here, and this is my table. So I didn't name the table, so I have to select the table. It's table 1. I have to select it. I can create more tables in it. Okay, so I'll just connect. And straight away from here, PowerUp is creating an application for me with the database I gave to it. This is so awesome, guys. So I just gave it a database, and it's creating an application for me with the database I gave to it. Can you imagine? This is so cool. I didn't code. I didn't do anything. I didn't type anything. I just created, how do you call it? I just created an Excel. Then that's all. It's creating an application for me. So it has to authenticate my sign up. Okay. So I didn't do anything, and it's creating an application for me. This is it. So you see what is moving? It's moving the Excel cloud database, connecting everything into the application for me. This is so awesome. I didn't do anything. Hola, you can all see. So it has just created an application for me without even coding the application. I want to see much things here, but I'm not seeing much. Let me see if it's still loading. Okay. Okay, it's showing, but it's not showing clear. Okay, so this is the application it has created for me. I want you guys to see it, so I'll just, I have to just move around it. So in PowerUps, let me just take you through some few features. So we have the screens here. You know, in Android Studio, we create screens. We have screen 1, screen 2, so that layers, okay, layers in Android Studio or in Android application, so that you can have layers of your application. So it's the same thing in PowerUps. You can create screens. Okay, so this is my screen that I'm working with. I can create another screen again. That when you click on, that's the detail screen. When you click on, you should have your video display here. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is my first screen. I'm going to work with it. I should have my stuff here, but I don't know why it's not displaying. So let me see if I can. Okay, so I can design how I want my screen to look like as well here. Okay, so my data source is having a little issue here. I hope it's showing. Okay, well, let me see the font color. Black. So it should show. Okay, so you sometimes face these issues. Sometimes when you're okay. Sometimes when the application is having a little issue to connect with the database. Okay, so let me check on the data again. Let me delete it. And check my database again, what the issue is. Okay. All right, so sorry guys. I'm trying to get my database working. Okay, so this is what I would do. Let me close this. then move to the database again. Yes, because my database is ready, so it should be able to pick. Because I want what we are going to see is we are going to see the application developed already for us with the database, everything we put in the database. We are going to see everything ready for us. So that's what I'm basically working on to show you guys. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. So this mostly happen when there's been an update from the PowerUp team. You mostly face these kind of challenges when they are doing some little updates at their end, but it should be fixed because yes, my table is ready, my everything is ready, yeah. So it should be fixed quickly. Yes, so I was supposed to find out if perhaps is having any update today before I could have moved on with you guys. Sorry, but it should be fixed shortly. I want my studio to open. PowerUp Studio, PowerUp Studio. So after this, I'm going to give you links. Also, I know Saba is recording the video. I'm going to give you links also to watch video I've made on about this. Okay, about this PowerUp. So you are going to get video on that. I've seen the issue. I've seen the issue. So Saba, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think there's an upgrade going on our student portal handle. Can you hear me?
Can you check from my side, from the student ambassador account?
Yeah, it's loading. It's loading. But I mean, the reason why it's really messing up, there's been an upgrade at the student portal handle. Do you get it? They are upgrading. I'm sure they are upgrading some applications there. That's why it's affecting the account. But it will open. So let's pray it opens. So I saw an upgrade there. There's been an upgrade. Sorry. Yes, so sorry guys, it will open. Sorry guys. So as I said earlier on, you need an account, you need a 365 account to create PowerUp. So that's the main reason I am actually using my student partner 365 account to take you through it. That's why I think there's an upgrade which is conflicting. Okay, so I'm sorry for this, but I hope it works quickly. Okay, so I'm still facing the issue. So what I wanted to see is, I want to see what I've entered into the system. So if you can see here, artists, I hope you can see the artist on top here. So the artist is showing here, meaning it is showing, the database is showing, the video URL is showing, but it's not displaying. Okay, so that's the issue I'm facing currently. The database is showing all right. So you can see video URL, you can see title. If I go up, you can see artist. So everything is showing, but it's not displaying because of, I'm sure there's an update going on. It's causing this to happen. But let's quickly do something. Let's quickly do something. I wish you would see the interface, but this really not encouraging. You can see the interface. You can see what is going on. I'm really not happy with this. Wow. I'm really not happy with this. I'm really not happy with this. So let me see.
That's completely all right. Like, it's okay.
It's okay. Okay. Let me try something out. Just give me 1 minute to just fix some. 1 minute to fix something quickly and see if it will work. If it doesn't, then we just move on straight away.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it didn't work. So let's move straight. I want to show you something quickly. Okay, so it didn't work. So let's play this and see. Okay, so when you play, this is what you should see. Okay, at least I wanted to see the how they call the artists and the other stuff showing here, but I don't know why. So I think there is an issue with the account, which I'm yet to find out. But since you guys have gotten how I connected my database, I'm going to open one which I did. Okay, so you guys can see this. This is awesome. You guys can see this. So this add, I can add one more. So you guys can see I can add one more track here. Maybe the artist name is NF, as Saba said. Then the title is, she said, Lie. Then this is the URL. Okay, so let me go and copy Saba's URL. Let me copy Saba's URL. Then come and paste it there. Where is? Okay, let me copy any URL from Saba. Then just fix it there. Okay, so when we update, you realize it will update in here. Okay, it will update in here. So let's do it. So this is our application. We can add more artists to it. Then you tap on the OK button. Okay, so this is the issue I was talking about. So there is an issue with the server. Okay, I hope you guys understand now. So there's a little issue with the server. That's why we were finding it difficult to fix. I didn't know this earlier on. I couldn't have. I could have alerted Saba earlier on. So Saba, there is an issue with the account, with our account currently. So that's why we are facing this. So what I'll do is, let me show you.
They are updating.
Yeah, they are updating. So what I'll do is, let me show you what I have created. One I have created. So I'm going to use what I've created to show you how the Power Apps work. Okay, if that's cool. So let me show you my applications. Okay, so close this. Okay, so apps. So I have some few applications here, which I created. I name it PowerTube. Okay, so let me open it for you to see what is there. I'm really sorry for the update, which is causing this, but let me explain Power Apps to you with what I've created here. So what happened is, as soon as I moved my database, okay, as soon as I moved my database and I click create, it was able to use my database to create an application for me. And when the application came, what I did was I designed the interface. So let me open my Excel file, which actually have that application. Let me just show you that particular Excel file. I didn't know there was an issue. I could have thought of another way. So I'm opening the Excel file I've already used to design one. I just did one simple in 15 minutes yesterday, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Before we'll finish this quickly in 5 minutes. Let me just explain how it looks like to you guys. Then after that, I'll give you the video to watch, and I'll give you some links if you want to learn how to develop Power Apps. I'll give you some links to learn how to develop Power Apps. Okay, so this is what I did. So if you guys saw it, when I did at first, it brought me here. Okay, I got here. If you guys saw it, I got to this part. If you guys saw it, I got to this part. And when I got here, what I did was I added, how do you call it? This is a background. So I clicked on this. So I'm just taking you through everything. So I just click outside this. Then you come and pick a background here. So in my video, I will share with you. You will see all the procedure in creating it. Okay. So I'll just come and load the background. It's so awesome creating Power Apps. I'll come and pick a background here. Then I'll just fill it so that the background will fill. So this is a background. This color you are seeing is a background. And you remember this particular art was up here. So I just drag it down here. Okay. So because I'm creating a nice application. And these are the tracks. So this picture you see here is also on my desktop, which I downloaded it here. So if you want to edit anything here, you can just click on this particular one. When you edit it, to apply to all this. So I just picked it. So you can see image. I just downloaded from the background. I just uploaded from my system file to here. Okay, so I can search for a track also here. So this is the format to search for tracks. Or I can delete it out if I want to. I can delete this button out to get my application, or I can just leave it. Okay, so when I delete, I have to just dress it a little. Okay, then this button, all I did was I added some few instructions to it for it to have a feeling. Okay, when you click on it, so I added fit. So you see the fit. So I said when you click on this button, when you click on this button, it should navigate to the detail screen. Okay, so it's just like you are creating an Android application and you are using layers. So it should navigate to the detail screen. That's the detail screen one. Then it should fade when navigating. So if you can see, when I tap on this, you see it faded. So when I tap on it, if you want to experience the work without selecting, you can put your hand on the Alt key, then you tap on it. So you see it faded. You tap on it, then it comes back. So I added the fade option to here as well. I just typed fade here. So if I tap on this, it fades. It fades and asks me to add another artist. Okay. So this is how simple it is. I just copy the URL and I drop them here. Okay. Because the account is being upgraded, I could have added more for you to see. So when you go here, this button, play, or you press F5. So this is your application. You can even play it on your phone as well. So because my account is connected to my phone, you can download Power Apps on your phone. Power Apps is on Google Play Store, it's on App Store. You can download Power Apps, and when you connect your account to it, you'll be able to see all the applications you are creating on the desktop on your phone. And it can be displayed on whether Android or iOS or even a desktop. So this is a desktop I'm displaying on. So you can see I can add more. So this is the Excel I created, which I can add more. I can just copy the URL and drop it here, title of the song, then the artist, and drop it here and just click OK. So when I click OK, it's being added to this. Okay, so I just added 3 tracks of it, and I can just, I added the screen. So let me show you the screen I added. So that goes to the next screen. So this is the next screen. So you tap on the next screen, you have your next screen. So this is a next layer. If you are using Android, this is a next layer. So you can name it layers. Then I just added a screen. So this is a screen I added. The screen is just here. If you want to add a screen, you go to Insert. Then you go to Media. When you go to Media, you see image, camera. You can add a camera so that you use it to capture pictures. You can add a video. You see all these things. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the video screen. So you can add a barcode reader, Microsoft Stream, audio, you can play audio there, you can add microphone, you can add pictures, you can import and export anything at all you want to do there. So you see how cool PowerUp is. You don't need to code screen. You just click on it. So let me click on just a single one. Let me click on, let's say, audio. So if you click on audio, an audio will come and drop here. I hope you guys can all see it. So this is the audio. So if it drops here, I can put audio in it for it to play. It's so simple. PowerUp is so simple. So it needs an audio to play. So I'll just go here and just go and add audio for my computer. Okay, so I can add audio from my system file. Then it will play in PowerUp. It will be loaded into the cloud and play in PowerUp. So this is the next screen. So if you click on anything, it should take you to the next screen for you to see the artist and the song title playing. Okay, so that's the next screen, and this is the first screen, and this is the edit screen where it will be asking you to add the user. So there are layers, okay, as Android developers will tell you. So you can add a user. So you can design how this one should also look like. So I can change the title. I can change the title here and make it Power Tube. So I can make it Power Tube. Okay, so this is how it's cool, right? So when I click on play, let's test it. Okay, so I have this Joe Boy beginning. So this is a Nigerian song. I just want to have a feel of it. So I just click on play. When I click on play, it should be able to play the video for me to see from YouTube. Establishing connection. Okay, so sorry, my internet, YouTube is blocked on it. Okay, so sorry. So let me quickly switch to the Wi-Fi. The YouTube is blocked on the cable, so it's not able to play a video from YouTube. So let me quickly switch to the Wi-Fi. So PowerUp is so awesome. When I finish, let me see if I can access. Okay, so let me quickly connect to my Wi-Fi. I can play the video for you to see. Then I'll see if I can also access it on the phone for you to see. PowerUp is really awesome, and I know you guys are going to love it. So let me go back and tap on it. Then I have to disconnect the cable. All right, so, okay, awesome. All right, so I'll just change the internet quickly. So it should play for me. I don't even need to tap on it, but because of the connection, so let me play it. Okay, so you guys can see what is going on. Sabah, I hope you can hear the sound, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have a control to it. So this is a simple application.
We are able to hear the voice of the video.
Yes, you can hear everything. You can play, you can increase the sound, you can do anything to it. Since you guys can hear the music, right? Sabah, you can hear the music?
Yeah.
Yes, so you can increase the sound if you want. You can do anything you want to it. Yeah, it's so awesome. Yeah, if you are tired, you can delete it. You can go back. You can go back and play another song. So it should be able to play straight away for me, but because of the network I'm using, the network doesn't allow me to take YouTube. I'm connected to 2 networks now, cable and Wi-Fi. So I'm just trying not to be disconnecting. So you see, I'm playing another video. So this is just a link I've added to PowerUp. So that's how it works. So this is a song from South Africa. And I feel like, so you see, it's from YouTube. That's why you're seeing all this art stuff. Okay. Okay. So this is a South African song I'm trying to play also. I'm trying to access my phone. So this is awesome. It's from YouTube. That's why you're seeing all this. Okay, so it's just we creating our mini YouTube application. You can even link the video into your cloud, just like the way we have the YouTube videos in the cloud playing. You can link your application to the cloud so that you can have your videos uploaded in the cloud. Then you also be playing from PowerUps. If you want to add, you can just click on this, then you add another video in it. So let me see if I add it will work now. Let me add what Sabah sent, if it will work. Because when I tried that one, it didn't work. So the artist NF lie. Let's pray it adds. If it adds, that would be awesome. Okay, so you guys have seen it. This is awesome. So what I loaded in has been added to it. So when I go to my Excel, I will see it added to my Excel as well. So this NF, it has been added to my Excel, to my app. So I can search for it, NF. You see, I can search for anything I like. If there are many, I can just search for it. So let's play what the NF is about. So this is cool. This is awesome. I know you guys love it already. So I can edit it here. I can edit the title if I want. I can edit the title of the song. I can delete it if I want to delete it. I can do anything I want to it here. So I'll paste the link for you to also visit it to learn how to create. It's just my video. I did the video in just 20 minutes. I'm telling you, I did a video in just 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes, I just finished with the video, and I can share the link with you for you to go and learn how to do it. Just 20 minutes, you should be able to finish an application in just even 15 minutes. All you need to do is, in the beginning, you saw what I did. I created the how do you call it? I created the Excel, and then in the video you will see everything on how I created the PowerUps, how I created the Excel and everything. You will see it there. So this is a video I did, and I'll be sharing with you guys as well to watch and learn from scratch on how to create PowerUps. So you can see the video. The video was just 20 minutes. As I said, 20 minutes application in PowerUps. So let me share the link with you guys. How to create. You can also take some course on PowerUps as well. So how to create PowerUp in 20 minutes. So Sabah, you can share this link to them on WhatsApp as well, so that some of them can take. But before you create a PowerUp, you need a 365 account. So we are going to end the session very soon because we are done already. We'll be ending very soon. So I'm just giving you the links which will help you to begin your PowerUp application development. So this is also a link to also help you. Let me send you this link. This is also a link to help you in creating 365 account. Okay. So it's a link to help you to create a 365 account. The first link I sent, I think it didn't come well. So I'm only sharing the links with you guys, then we can end the session. Okay, so this is, so after you've learned how to create the Office 365 account, you can then use the account to create a PowerUps. Okay, so Sabah, you can let them know. First, they have to create Office 365 account. If they have an account already from the school, that's cool. But if they don't have, they have to create Office 365 account. When they are done creating the Office 365 account, then they can use it to create the application following all the videos I've sent to you guys. Okay, so the video is going to help you guys to develop all these accounts. Then I'm also going to drop in some links from Microsoft that is going to help you in developing your applications. Okay, so let me drop in some links also. Let me copy some links and drop it in for you. So the learn part, okay. so that you can try your hands on it. The learn part and the video tutorial, or okay. With the student ambassador program, Sabah, I know you are taking them through that, right? So that those who are interested can also join.
Yeah, I have a session on how to become Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador.
Awesome, awesome. So let me share this last link. I'm sharing some links, and they are a bunch, so it's taking some few seconds to load. Okay, awesome. All right, so those are the last two links, which will also help them a lot. All right, so far so good. We were having some few problem connecting with our PowerUp application, but I've been able to, moreover, to move around this, and I think it's cool. With the video, with the 20 minutes creating PowerUp video I've dropped in there, it's going to help you to develop the app simple and very quickly, without any computer science certificates or any computer science background. Okay. Thank you once again for inviting me, Sabah. I really appreciate, and it's good to have you in the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. Yes, it's good to have you there, and it's good to. I like the way already you are encouraging your community to do more as well, and I think you keep on encouraging them and the community. I will urge you guys to really put in your best to learn more from Sabah and the Microsoft team as well. This is a great opportunity for you to learn great stuff. If you guys need us to do this once again, no problem. We can prepare this once again, or we can do another thing once again later on. I can plan with Sabah if you guys are okay with it. Yes, because we have a little hinges here and there, but I've dropped in the videos for you guys to help you guys do your other stuff. Yes, so thank you very much once again for inviting me, Sabah.
Yeah, welcome. If anybody have any questions, so let us know.
Sure. If you have any question, just let me know and I can help you out with it. If you have any question around it, else the video I've dropped, the video will help you a lot. The video will help you a lot in just 20 minutes. My video is just going to take you through how to create the Power Apps. Simple. So Sabah, you can drop that video, or else also in your WhatsApp chats or wherever you guys communicate, you can drop that video for them. Creating how to create a simple Power App. That's the music application as we are doing here. So you can put in some Pakistan music and try your hands on. Yes. So if you have any question, just ask. If there's no question, Sabah, you can take over.
Thank you for joining. I think nobody have any questions. So thank you for joining. It's a great session. And thank you everyone for joining as well.
Bro, you're mute. We cannot hear you.
Sorry. So I wanted to show you the application on the phone. So if you can see, I wasn't able to cast it, but if you can see this PowerUp application